Hey guys, hope you're doing okay. I just want to share an MTP update that I got. I have my son in the back. Sorry about that. I'm staying home sick with the sun today. So I just got an email telling me to sell Google stock, right? Selling, when it says sell like this is the MTP indicator that I'm using. Selling means that you get stopped out. And this is basically how it works. It doesn't tell you to go short. It only focuses on going long. It only focuses on the market, on the bullish market. So it told me to buy right here. Then it told me to buy right here, and then right here, and then right here. And we keep moving our stop loss to the next position's stop loss. Right here, and then right here, and then eventually right here. So these stop losses are all in a winning position except this one, or these two. All right. So you can see that it says it gives me a sell position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because there I entered on 5 breakouts. This is swing trading in a nutshell. This is how it works. You enter a trade here on May 23rd of May, and then on the 26th of August, and then you keep added to the position until you get taken out a year after. This really makes you step away from trading and you have to have money to be able to use these things. Sorry, I just got a message. Um, all right, I just want to share that with you. The market has not been looking good because of the war these past weeks or two, and it's affecting the market as you can see. So we've been stopped out on this position. We've been stopped out on the DAX, on S&P 500, and soon to be on Nasdaq. All right, I just want to share this with you. If you want more information, I'm putting a link inside in the description or something for you to learn about the system if you like. If you ask me questions, I'm here to answer all of them for you. And if there's anything, let me know. Have a great day.